Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday. My head feels a bit fuzzy right now, but I'm happy because why did I just hit myself? I'm happy because I have a package to unbox. Let me put this down a bit so we can unbox this together. Yeah, it's my, okay, you're gonna see it. Where do I open this from? I think I need scissors. And I'm back. Oh my god, my head feels a bit, I don't know. I've drunk water, I've eaten. I think I need to take a nap. Anyways, let's open this. I might open this the right way. I think I did. Oh yeah, I did. I opened it the right way. Okay. If I open it, okay. Ta-da! Oh my god. I'm super excited. It's so thin. I ordered the new iPad Pro, but this is in, I ordered the new iPad Pro in 11-inch, just Wi-Fi, is the M4 iPad Pro. And I also ordered the case from, I'm taking you guys up a bit because I feel like I'm tilting my head down too much. I also ordered the case from Amazon, but it has not been delivered. And I'm scared of opening this thing now because I heard how thin it is. I mean, see the case, I can't imagine how thin it is. If I open this, it will be lying around without a case, no coverage, nothing. So I think I'll open it. Let's postpone this unboxing till tomorrow. Hi guys, so I'm going for a walk. I started this walk thing earlier, I don't remember when, but I tried to like take walks in the evening, like 5 kilometers, 4 kilometers, sometimes 2. It just really depends on how strong I am. But yeah, I started it because after I finished for this semester, I'm less active. I'm just in my room. I don't have much to do except when I have to run errands. So it's just practical for me to walk. Let's go. I created this playlist. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's the cutest playlist I've created. It's just Nigerian songs. I think it's just one American song. I'm going to. I swear. To go. So I went to plan the wrong thing. Guess who wiped my entire face? I just felt like my makeup was giving party, and genuinely, that's not the vibe I was going for. I want something really soft, and you know, it's really sunny outside. I don't want to go out with a cakey face and be sweating and be just panicking. I thought I was the wrong bus. So the wrong bus is right back. I don't know if I want it or keep it because it's tight. Oh, it always has to. Enough CD. Stop talking. For me to take what?
Like you prefer to have it just for the future, right?
Yeah, always. But thank you for respecting my picture.
Yeah, I'll respect it.
Oui, mais c'est bon, tu peux y aller.
On va faire.
Oui, mais c'est bon. Non, mais tu peux y aller.
Okay. Oh, they're gonna be piano. They're gonna cost. Oh my god. Criminal. Yeah.
I've never heard this word.